When it comes to AI-powered video creation, two names are quickly gaining attention: Runway and Pika Labs. Both make it possible to turn ideas into dynamic short-form videos using artificial intelligence. But they approach creativity in very different ways. For creators focused on short content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, these two tools represent the cutting edge of what is possible. Let's look at how they compare and which one might be the better fit for your creative workflow. Runway has become a go-to platform for AI-driven video production. It offers an impressive suite of tools that combine text-to-video generation, background removal, motion tracking, and green screen capabilities, all inside a clean, web-based interface. The standout feature is its text-to-video model. You can describe a scene in plain language, and Runway generates cinematic footage that feels original and visually rich. You can also edit and refine clips directly within the platform, adjusting motion, color, and composition without leaving your browser. Runway integrates easily into creative pipelines for both solo creators and small teams. For short-form video production, it helps you prototype ideas, visualize concepts, and even produce finished clips with remarkable speed. Pika Labs takes a slightly different approach, focusing on speed, creativity, and community-driven generation. Its AI models specialize in creating short, visually engaging clips from text prompts, images, or rough video inputs. The platform's design encourages experimentation. You can type a short description, like a character walking through neon streets, or a product reveal in slow motion. And Pika Labs quickly generates a stylized sequence ready for social sharing. It is fast, playful, and tuned for creators who want bold, eye-catching visuals without heavy editing. The output often leans toward imaginative and cinematic styles, making it perfect for short-form storytelling or branded snippets that need to stand out. In the end, Runway is best for creators who want an all-in-one AI video editor with advanced tools and professional-level control. Pika Labs is best for creators who want quick, visually striking AI clips that are ready to post. If you treat short-form content like a creative art form, Pika Labs is inspiring and fun. If you treat it like a professional production, Runway gives you the depth and tools to bring your ideas to life. Both are redefining what video creation looks like in the age of AI. And for short-form creators, that means faster workflows, more creative freedom, and limitless possibilities.